Hi, everybody. Looking at continuing our 0 days to expiration, 0 DTE trades, or I guess I would lump in there maybe 3 to 4 day trades also, but a 0 day to expiration double diagonal. So if you look here, here's just an example. Again, very low VIX right now. So you're not getting maybe as far away as we'd like from the current price for this range-bound trade. But here's an example of a 0 day double diagonal trade. Looking at this as a Tuesday, May 9th, early in the morning, maybe 10:19 Central Time. So you can see with where the SPX price is, and you can see the expected move for today. You know, when the VIX is this low, 17.5, it's very paltry, maybe 10 to 13 points. And what does that mean? 13 points plus or minus. It says there's about a 68% probability we'll be up about 13 or down 13 from here. You know, if there's news coming out, which I think there's news today, but could it be more or less? Yes, but that's what it is with a low VIX environment. So if I can set, I like these double strategies, double diagonal, double calendar, double long diagonal. We've talked about part 1 and part 2 of the series, double long diagonal and double calendar. Again, I like them because for 0 day, you're selling an out of the money call and an out of the money put. That's a short strangle. It just gives you a little more room than some of your single calendar or a single butterfly. So here'd be an example. I'm going to sell the 41.40 call, sell the 41.10 put, and this is with the underlying at 41.25 at SPX. So, you know, we're just getting better than the expected move. I mean, we're getting 15 points up and 15 points down. It doesn't seem like a lot in your tummy. Now, we're pretty neutral starting out. And you'll see this negative theta, which you just kind of have to ignore because it just, the way the software has it. The T plus 0 would be how your curve is today, right now, right? The blue line is how it should look at around at expiration. When is expiration? The end of the day, in some hours, right? Now, in a mixed month trade, could the blue line go under 0 more? Yeah, I mean, if the volatility of my long options, which are expired tomorrow, could they go down some? Yeah, I mean, I'm not that concerned just because we're at pretty low volatility numbers, even though we're up a little bit today. And all the extrinsic value will come out of our shorts today. So, you know, the way I have it structured here, you know, you can have it structured a little higher in the middle, but you won't get as much room. So in a low vol environment, I don't mind the expiration graph being right around 0, because you can see here, what we want is it to get somewhere in this wing area later in the day. And again, you know, so we're really, what I'd like this to do is to get up to 41.35, which is only up 9 points, or down towards 41.15 area by the end of the day, preferably in the last hour to last half hour. But I like these because they give you a little more room, which I want for 0 DTE trades. I don't think we're just going to sit here, right? We can, but, you know, I'm just looking like 10 points movement either way. So a double diagonal, the way I'm structuring this, again, my shorts expire today and my longs expire tomorrow. So I'm buying a May 10, selling a May 9, today's May 9. My longs are just going to be the next day and 5 points further out of the money on the calls. And the next day and 5 points out of the money on the puts. So this would be a double diagonal. It's going to give better decay than positive theta decay than a double long diagonal or double calendar. But is we say the T+0 curve, the purple curve, which is it right now, isn't as smooth like a sledding hill, isn't as smooth a sledding hill as a double calendar or double long diagonal. But I like these, especially maybe when the VIX is a little bit higher, 19 or 20, and you're more concerned it's going to go down. I'm not that, I mean, VIX could go down a bit here, but when you're in the 17s, that's kind of the, at the lower levels we've been in a few years here. So anyway, something to consider for 0-day expiration trade. Check us out at Sheridan Mentoring and have a wonderful day. Thanks.